5. Oh. Oh. It's a ring. Yellow. Oh. It's a big ring, guys. Thank you, Pampol, guys. 7:10 in the morning, and I'm almost going home. My plus light is already low, but whew, nice. We'll go home, guys. We'll check this out. Yes, I think we found gold.